Hey guys, it's Anthony with the Rag Company, and today I'm here with Fraser from Wowo's Detailing. What's going on, dude?
Just excited to tell you guys all about Detailer's shampoo.
I'm excited to tell them about Detailer's shampoo because this is one of my favorite products in the Wowo's Detailing lineup. It is wickedly good, and my favorite thing about it is that it creates some of the best foam that I have personally ever seen, but it's also a very versatile shampoo, so tell us more about it.
So when we designed this, we worked really closely with you guys. We used to have dry shampoo, we used to have wax shampoo, and we just cut it all back and we made a pure pH neutral, no additives, no nonsense shampoo that is wicked through the foamer or is really good in a 2-bucket method wash as well.
And that's exactly what we wanted, and that's why we gave it the name Detailer Shampoo, because it's what detailers would use if they were washing a car. Nothing crazy, no major additives, but it looks good, it smells really good, and you detailers that like foam, you guys are gonna be pretty dang happy. So as usual, if you guys like this and want to check out more about Detailer Shampoo and the rest of the Wowo's detailing lineup, you can head to theragcompany.com. If you guys like this video, make sure you give us a big thumbs up, subscribe down below for more, and stay tuned for more videos right here at The Rag Company.